friends, and here we are at Flour and Food, an Italian journey. Today we're going to bake, and we are going to bake una crostata with ricotta and mascarpone cheese with chocolate chips. So let's start baking. Okay friends, so for the dough we will need 300 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 80 milliliters of oil, baking powder 2 teaspoons, 100 grams of sugar, and grated orange zest. So let's start. Now we add the sugar. We add the oil. A little bit at a time. Now we're going to add the baking powder. 1 and 2. Put that aside. And here now we're going to need to use our hands. Now we work the dough. It doesn't need any more flour. Just gonna let it rest a little bit. Look at the dough. Nice and soft. Here we are. And put it to rest while we prepare the ricotta e il mascarpone. So now let's start with the filling for the tart. And we have 400 grams of ricotta. And we're gonna work that. We're going to shorten it. mascarpone. And the ricotta, when you take it out of the fridge, put it to drain a little bit, because if it has a lot of water, it becomes too liquid, the filling. So I took it out of the fridge and I let it drain about an hour. We add 2 egg yolks. Blend those in. We'll put in some orange zest. Great. Make sure you don't get the white part. We add a little bit of cinnamon. 150 grams of sugar. And it's a nice smooth cream. Now we add the chocolate chips. We're going to set this aside and we're going to get the dough to prepare the tart. I'm going to oil the pan real well. Put in the dough. Make sure you oil it real well. Especially when it has spaces like this, you wanna get in there. Okay, and this is done. Okay, friends, here we have the dough, and we're going to save this part for the top, and with this we'll do the bottom. Don't put too much flour on the table, just that amount that it doesn't make the dough stick. I'm not very good at it making it perfectly round. I keep trying to do my best. And see if I'm close to it. Hey, pretty good. We're gonna do it. Gonna make it. Okay. And now we're gonna put there. By now you should put the oven 180 degrees. Get a fork and just try to even the sides. Okay, now we got the filling. If your filling comes liquid because there's too much water in the ricotta, the excess water of the ricotta didn't drain well, you can add a spoon of flour if it's too liquid, not more than a spoon. Spread it nicely even. They're not perfectly even. And friends, here's my crostata with ricotta, mascarpone cheese, and chocolate chips. I just took it out of the oven now. Gonna let it set a while until it gets nice and cool, and then I'll show it to you. And here, friends, is my crostata with ricotta, mascarpone cheese, and chocolate chips. Okay, friends, thank you for watching Flour and Food, an Italian Journey. I hope you like my recipe, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.